Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Dustin Cody. I am a subject matter expert in the systems management space. Today, I will be going over enabling and collecting debug logs in SupportAssist Enterprise 2.x on a Linux OS. So first, we're going to need to enable the debug logging. So we'll connect through PuTTY or any other way that you want to connect and get to the CLI. And now that we're in, we want to use VI editor to open a following file. It's going to be opt Dell SupportAssist config, and then the file we're opening is log4j2.xml. That all looks correct. And now that we're in this file under VI editor, I find the easiest way to do this is just to do a replace all with info with debug. So we're going to do a $s/info/debug/g. There we go. 12 substitutions on 12 lines. So now we're going to do a right quit. And now we want to restart the services. So system ctl stop SupportAssist. Now a system ctl start SupportAssist. Now that this is started, the next thing you'll want to do, that you have debug logs enabled, is recreate the issue being seen in the environment. So once you've recreated the issue being seen in the environment, for example, discovery or whatever it may be, now it's time to actually gather the logs. I find that WinSCP seems to be the easiest for me. So use WinSCP and you connect to your device, and you want to be at opt Dell SupportAssist logs. So let's go back and make sure we have our logs here. And from here, I can pull this log over to my documents folder. Yes. Let's take a look at that log file. So it looks like we're not actually finding any of the term debug inside the log right now because I haven't recreated anything or done anything for it to need to do more. However, if we pull the log4j2.xml file over, we can see that is indeed in debug mode. So now that you've looked at your logs, you found out what was going on because you had it in debug mode, now it's time to disable debug mode and restart those services again. So we want to go back to our PuTTY session, and we want to do another VI edit of the same file, and this time we want to do the opposite. So we're going to do a $s/debug/info/g. We have the 13 substitutions on 13 lines. So now we want to do a right quit. And again, we want to stop and start our services. So that's it on Linux enabling debug logging for SupportAssist. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you, and have a great day.